In this video, we listed the 5 best laptop stands that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Soundance Laptop Stand. Soundance enjoys widespread popularity as a laptop stand brand, lauded for its top-notch offerings that blend high-quality craftsmanship with strong laptop support. The Soundance laptop stand secures the top spot due to its exceptional build quality without a hefty price tag. This stand accommodates laptops ranging from 10 to 15.6 inches, elevating the laptop by 6 inches to an ergonomic height. Although no explicit weight limit is mentioned, the robust aluminum construction instills confidence in its stability. A noteworthy aspect is the inclusion of a generous 1-year warranty, adding to its appeal. In essence, Soundance laptop stands strike a balance between sturdiness, adaptability, and value, making them a prime choice for users seeking an elevated computing experience. Number 2. Nulaxy Laptop Stand. For those in search of a robust and top-tier laptop stand without the accompanying premium price tag, Nulaxy presents a compelling option within its lineup. Claiming the second spot on this listicle, Nulaxy's laptop stand stands out as a heavy-duty contender catering to a broad user base. Designed to accommodate laptops ranging from 10 to 16 inches, this stand boasts an impressive height elevation of 7 inches, enhancing user comfort. One of its standout features is the utilization of high-quality CNC aluminum construction, enabling it to shoulder a substantial 22-pound weight capacity. However, it's worth noting that despite its sturdy build, the provided 3-month warranty falls slightly short compared to other offerings. In essence, Nulaxy delivers a blend of strength and versatility, making it an attractive choice for users seeking a reliable laptop stand with a focus on durability. Number 3. Kentevin Laptop Stand. Kentevin, a renowned laptop accessory brand, stands out by delivering affordability paired with valuable features that enhance its versatility, catering to a wide user base. Securing the third spot in this article, the Kentevin laptop stand distinguishes itself with its exceptional uniqueness. It accommodates larger laptops, ranging from 10 to 17 inches, and even provides an added feature, a dedicated slot for your smartphone. Despite its distinctive design, this stand maintains an impressive height extension of up to 7 inches, optimizing ergonomic comfort. The standout attribute lies in its remarkable weight capacity, boasting support for laptops weighing up to 44 pounds, an assurance of its robustness. While Kentevin focuses on affordability, it's important to note that this advantage comes at the cost of lacking a warranty. In essence, Kentevin offers an inventive and cost-effective solution for users seeking a versatile laptop stand that goes beyond conventional design boundaries. Number 4. Urmust Laptop Stand. The laptop stand emerges as a favorable choice for those seeking enduring solutions. Tailored for long-term utility, it comfortably accommodates common laptop sizes, spanning from 10 to 15.6 inches. Featuring an adaptable design, its maximum height extends to 8 inches, well suited for diverse preferences. However, its heightened adjustability influences its weight-bearing capacity, capping at 8.8 pounds. Notably, the standout aspect of this stand lies in its remarkable reliability and durability, attributed to superior craftsmanship, further reinforced by an impressive 1.5-year warranty. In essence, Urmust delivers a durable and dependable laptop stand catering to prolonged usage, making it an optimal choice for users prioritizing long-lasting performance. Number 5. Boyata Laptop Stand. Boyata presents a compelling solution for those in search of sturdy laptop stands capable of supporting large laptops with unwavering stability. Renowned for its premium quality, the Boyata laptop stand justifies its price through exceptional versatility and solid construction. It accommodates laptop sizes ranging from 10 to 17 inches, boasting an adjustable design that provides an impressive height extension of up to 8.5 inches, surpassing alternatives in this aspect. Impressively, despite its considerable height, the stand maintains a robust weight capacity of up to 44 pounds, catering to diverse user requirements. As a high-end brand, Boyata ensures customer confidence with a generous 1-year warranty. In essence, Boyata offers a premium solution for users seeking top-tier laptop stands capable of securely and confidently supporting larger laptops, all while maintaining stability and durability.